Hello everyone, today I'm going to be changing oil on our Bobcat S185. The drain plug is right here. It was tucked pretty far back there, being we have an air conditioner, so I had to route it underneath my air conditioner lines. It takes two 7/8 wrenches to open the drain plug. I broke it free already because it was super tight. We'll open the fill port to help it drain a little quicker. I did already have this machine running a little bit today, so it's already warmed up. So while that's draining, I just broke free this oil filter. We'll loosen that up, get that emptied out. I did break it free already, as it was also fairly tight. It does drain right onto my air conditioning pump, which isn't necessarily the best, but that's how it was designed. The O-ring is still on the filter, so now we'll let that finish draining before we fill it up again. For anyone wondering, this is the part number for the oil filter. I'm just going to put some new oil on that O-ring and put that on, put the drain plug back on, and start filling up. While I was looking through the filter box I had for all this stuff we have filters to replace on, I also found a fuel filter for this thing, so I pulled that off, got the new one on. I cracked this bleeder valve. The primer ball is right back here, so I'll just prime this until fuel comes out the top, so we don't have any air holes in it. Looks fairly good. Just tighten that back up. Hopefully we don't have any issues starting it now. I got everything tightened back up. Now I'm just going to fill it up and finish the oil change. So the last thing I'm going to do before I end this oil change is write my hours and date on the filter so I remember when I changed oil last. Hope everybody enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.